Well, I'm the CFO. I have a long-standing experience in manufacturing. I started out in public accounting and chose manufacturing as probably my favorite industry. You know, as a CPA, I'm held to a high level of ethical standards, and not just in terms of financial reporting, but in terms of how we conduct business. And I see that throughout the organization. I see it with all our team members. I think a very important part of our culture is how we treat each other with respect and we try to help one another. And I see it with how we treat our customers, which I think is very important. It really starts from the top. We have been and will continue to be the go-to solution for precision cleaning. And I think that's just going to continue to expand not only domestically, but globally as well. And when I see year over year how we build our bench, how we become more sophisticated in our approach to branding and markets and customers and the technologies we develop and how the people get along and support each other, it's really impressive.